So Facebook Messenger has brought a very cool feature right here, which I think is going to be very helpful for everyone. So it's actually making the app very entertaining more than it used to be, because right now you can chat with people and it's going to be very, very vibrant. And I think WhatsApp and Instagram will actually bring this update to in play, because I think maybe oh, now Facebook is WhatsApp and Instagram, so who knows, maybe in the future this is going to be available for us, and I think it's going to be very helpful if it's available for us. So I'm going to go to my Facebook Messenger and then screen record it actually on this phone for you to know the new updates we are having right here. And then you don't need any magic to do this. You just have to go to your store, being it Android or iOS. You can go to your store and then you can just update your Facebook Messenger and you can get this feature. But as to how you know where this feature is, I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, you go to your Facebook Messenger and it makes it more entertaining. Like, I think it's going to make it more lively than it used to be. So I'm going to be using this friends chat, and then what you need to do is you're going to click on the emojis right here. So when you click on emojis, you're going to go to where you have this sound right here, and in case you want to send anything, you see the emojis right here are a bit limited for the meantime. So probably maybe in future they are going to bring a lot of cool ones which are going to be very, very helpful and make chats very, very entertaining. So let me tap on this goat and you can hear right here the goat is just going to bleep. So you see the goat, that is very, very cool. When you tap on the hands clapping too, you can feel it right here. You tap on this emoji too, you're gonna hear people laughing. There are some of them which have copyrighted music in them, so I don't want to play those ones because for the sake of this video I just don't want to play them. You have a ghost one right here too. This is very, very cool. We have this one too, you get me. So they are basically very cool ones right here. So you can actually go to your store and then just update this right here. I was actually chatting with my friend and then I was explaining how this feature works, and yeah, he wasn't having it, so he had to update his Facebook Messenger before he's going to see it. So I think this update is going to be very helpful for us, and for you to enjoy it, you need to update your Facebook Messenger and you're going to have fun. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I have a lot I'm going to be sharing with you, a lot more I'm going to be sharing on this channel, being it social media apps and tips, and then also new OS updates, being it Android or iOS. I got you covered, and without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.